So I'm just about ready for paint. I spent the last day with mineral spirits, cleaning off the oil and the gunk. Even after I did the water-based stuff, there was still a lot on there. So I started with mineral spirits, and then I've gone over it with alcohol to get the residue from the mineral spirits off. I'm going to go over it one more time with alcohol. But I have everything taped off. I took off the oil filter, the percolator, something like that, so I can get closer to the block. Basically, it was in the way, and then I can spray the cup of that separately. So now I'm gonna wipe it down with alcohol one more time, and then paint it. Yeah, I haven't filmed much since it was really boring cleaning this by hand. Really, probably the best way to do it would be to, get it on one of those portable lifts and take it out in the street and hit it with the power washer. But I don't have one of those lifts and I don't have a power washer, so I had to do it this way. I've also tarped off this area with tarps because I have to get underneath this guy. I'm not going to do the oil pan, but I still have to get underneath the transmission. So I've tarped off this area and moved the fan over. So this is the middle bay if of my 3 bays, if you will. Alright, so let's finish cleaning it and I'll start painting. Yeah, I know it's a waste of effort, but I just couldn't put the rusty manifolds back on the car. This high temperature paint will probably help it stay nice looking a little while, but it's an uphill battle. If you liked this video, click the like button below. If you want to come along on the ride as we complete this project, click the subscribe button. If you want to make sure Google reminds you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Your support is very much appreciated.